Hello, hello, hello! Hello everyone! Today we're reviewing the LG XBOOM Go PN1 Bluetooth speaker. It has a 1.5-inch tweeter and 3 WRMS total power. You can play music via Bluetooth or with a 3.5mm mini jack cable. Dual mode lets you link two compatible LG speakers for stereo sound. Its 730 mAh lithium battery offers about 5 hours of playtime at medium volume and takes roughly 3 hours for a full charge. It has a mic for hands-free calls when connected to a phone. With IPX5 protection, it's splash and water jet resistant. It's also fully compatible with voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. Lastly, it's available for around €20. I've left a direct link below if you want to grab one. Now that we've seen the features, let's move on to the unboxing. As for the box contents, it's pretty straightforward, guys. We have the speaker itself, which we'll examine in detail, along with the USB-C charging cable. Lastly, on the right, we find the manual, warranty, and safety guide. Now that we've done the quick unboxing, let's get to the interesting part. Examining the speaker. It weighs about 200 grams and measures 10 centimeters wide, 6.5 centimeters high, and roughly 3 centimeters deep. On the front, as usual, we find the speaker itself covered with a protective mesh and fabric. At the top are the physical controls from left to right, power button, Bluetooth pairing button, volume up and down buttons, play, pause button for calls, and the mic button to activate the voice assistant. Also, next to this area, we find the microphone up here. On the left side of the speaker, there's a small rubber cover hiding the 3.5mm mini jack for wired connections, USB-C charging port, and a reset button. Remember, when not using these ports, keep the cover closed to prevent water damage. On the right side of the speaker, there's a ring that lets you hang it anywhere. At the bottom and back, 4 small rubber dots allow you to place the speaker upright or flat. Alright guys, as always, before we wrap up, let's do a quick sound test with the speaker. I've moved to a slightly larger room, the dining room, and as I always say, hearing it live is different from hearing it in a video. But this will at least give you a general idea of how it sounds. So, let's check it out. We'll start at 50% volume, and halfway through the song, I'll crank it up to 100%. Let's begin.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from
Alright guys, as you've heard, the speaker performs quite well for its price and size. As you've seen, the bass, treble and mids are stable and clear, whether at 50% or 100% volume. I haven't noticed any crackling or sound lag at any point. As you've seen, with the speaker at about 50% volume, it's not enough to fill a room like a dining room. In a smaller room maybe, but at 50% it seemed a bit underwhelming to me. However, when we turned it up to 100% volume, it performed much better and was more than enough to fill a room, like in this case a dining room. So if you want to use it in a dining room, kitchen or similar space, for a larger area you'll need to keep the volume between 100% and 80% most of the time. In a smaller room, 50% to 60% volume should be enough to hear it clearly. Alright folks, that wraps up our review of the LG XBOOM Go PN1 Bluetooth speaker. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.